on the back there. You know we got that big load on the back. We leaving the woods, just got loaded. You know, that was the old ramp right there. You know, we on down further a little bit. You know, in the same spot that we was a couple videos ago. I think we just about finished over here. Man, it's cloudy out here. We supposed to get a lot of rain this week. So far, we ain't got too much of nothing in the woods. So we praying that the weatherman keep telling his lies. You don't want no rain. But anyway, y'all, man, it's Monday. Hey, we alive. We above ground. We working. Hey, it is what it is, man. It's time to get these loads. You already know. I got 15 loads last week. You know, I'm going to try to do the same thing again this week. You know, give them out more. You know, I don't play. Got to pay to play, baby. Feel me? But anyway, y'all, man, just want to give y'all an update. You know, bring y'all a quick little video. You know what I'm saying? For all my true fans out there that love Big E. You know what I'm saying? How everybody out there doing, man? Come on, man. Let me know what y'all been up to, bruh. Talk to your boy. You know what I'm saying? I like to be talked to. Now, I get bored in this truck. But anyway, y'all, you know, I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. Now we on to Christmas. My birthday is in 2 days. Yeah. Your boy be 35. You know, yeah, I think, 35. I ain't got no special plans, man. I'm just happy to be alive, happy to have my family. You know, I'm supposed to get together with some friends and their wives this weekend, and we all go out and eat. You know what I'm saying? Do a little bowling. You know what I'm saying? I'm showing my dog. You know, Big E don't play, man. One thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna eat good and I'm gonna have fun. You feel me? But anyway, y'all, man, we get y'all some of this beautiful scenery, man. We done chopped all these woods down. Yeah, we done chopped them all down, man. I know y'all can't tell right now, but hey, my boy Robert done tinted the windows in the Freightliner. You know what I'm saying? Hey, we riding up under that shit, baby. You know what I'm saying? We coolin' today, baby. You know what I'm saying? We super trucking. We super truckers out here now, man. Got the windows tinted in the Freightliner. Hey, we getting ready to be blessed to go on to a new year after a while, 3 more weeks. Man, it's getting ready to be exciting, y'all. But I'm getting ready to stop right up here. I done pulled far enough away. Get ready to stop, load, strap my load down. Excuse me, y'all. Strap this load down, man. And hey, we gonna head on to the mill. But let me show y'all these windows, bro. Let me show you the tint in this thing, man. Get all my junk out, man, so we can do this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hold on, guys. Hold on, guys. Oh. Hold on. Hey, we in here, baby. Look, hey, we in here. Look at that load, man. Look at that load, man. That's a pretty Beaumont, Mississippi load, man. I'm telling y'all, man, I love law. But been thinking about getting out of it. But I love it, man. I love it, man. Look at that. Look at that. Woo! We logging, man. We logging. Yeah, yeah. But look at that tent. Man, let me. Oh, yeah. We riding in that tent, man. Hey, that's what I like to see, man. Look at that. That's a little cool little Freightliner, you know what I'm saying? That's a little cool little Freightliner. Got the little chrome bumper, you know? Got the little chrome lug things on there, you know what I'm saying? Got some good tires. Look at that. Good tires. Good tires. You know what I'm saying? Hey, if you need some wood haul around here in Mississippi, man, holla at your boy, man. Big E, man. Holla at me, man. I'll come on the Saturday. I'll come load it. I'll come run it on the Sunday. Hey, if you paying right, I'll come get it, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. But y'all, let me stop playing, man. This is my second load. My second load for the day. About to scrap this load down. I'm gonna get back with y'all. Peace. Hey, check out that load, man. That scrap down, locked and loaded. We getting a little rain, y'all. I feel it. Couple drop. Hey, I'm out of breath too, but hey, we got the scrap down, locked and loaded. We getting ready to get up out of here. You know what I'm saying? Gonna get back with y'all, man. Peace. Alright, guys. Had to stop over here at Taters. You know what I'm saying? That's the name of it, Taters. You gotta say it like that, Taters. Had to get that good old lunch meal, man. As you can see, I don't know if you can tell, but it's raining, so now we do nothing else today. Show y'all what I got, though. Let me show y'all. Ooh, woo! Look at that, look at that. Oh my God. We got them good old baked bean, rice and gravy and some ribs. With a roll and an orange drink. Oh, hoo, hoo. I'm about to put this food back, y'all. So, hey, like, share, subscribe to the channel. I'm not for sure this is the end of my day yet. I got to call Brian to see. But I'm finna enjoy my food right now first. Then I'll call him. But hey, y'all, thanks for watching the video, man. Peace out. See y'all. This is why I love my job. I get to eat my lunch in my own time, in my own pace, wherever I want to eat it at, whenever I want to take it. Watching the good old movie on I'm on YouTube, I think, yeah. Watching Gone Fishing. Move I ain't seen since I was a child. But man, it just, I love my job. I love it, y'all. I love it.